Hello, St. Vincent's friends and families. Today is the continuation of South America. Last video was about animals in the Amazon rainforest in South America. Today we're going to learn about animals in the desert, in the Pampas, and high in the Andes. Let's start with the Pampas. All right, we have a Jeffrey's cat. This feline looks a little like a household pet. It's even about the same size, but don't be fooled. This is one of the world's smallest wildcats. It survives on the Pampas by doing what cats do best, chasing mice. Sadly, it is also hunted for its beautiful fur. Oh, that's really sad. There he is. He's super cute. Look at this guy. Here's the grassland. Life on the Pampas. We have a naked-tailed armadillo. Look how cute he is. Let's see what he's all about. This armadillo lives in burrows beneath the grasslands. It eats insects, using its sharp claws to dig into the nests. If its harder outer shell isn't enough protection from a predator, it can bury itself in the ground in a very short time. Smart guy. Wood stork. In the wetlands that occur in the northern part of the Pampas, these wading birds find fish to eat. Their long legs stalk through the shadows, while their sharp-pointed beaks are used to snag prey. These birds often migrate to Florida during breeding season. Here he is, the wood stork. Let's read about this guy. He is a capybara. The capybara's scientific name comes from the Latin word water hog. Though it looks like a little pig, this is actually the world's largest rodent. It eats plants, chopping stalks with its sharp front teeth. All right. Life on the Pampas. Let's see. In the desolate coast, the desert. The west coast of South America includes the Atacama Desert. I talked about that desert in my video. One of the world's driest spots on Earth. All right, the black-headed lizard lives there. Lizards thrive in the desert. Like most reptiles, they need the sun to keep their bodies warm. The hot, dry air in the Atacama gives this lizard plenty of basking time. It lives among the rocks when it's not searching for insects to eat. Here he is. Oh, right? Yes, black-headed lizard. Ooh, a Chilean flamingo! Parts of the Atacama Desert get less than 1/10 of an inch of rain a year, but enough rain falls and collects on huge salt flats called salars to attract these famous pink birds. But their feathers change colors as they get their shrimp. Flamingos gather in huge flocks and ponds on the salt flats, adding a splash of color to a bleak and forbidden landscape. I'm going to tell you guys about the penguin, and then I'll show you the flamingo and the penguin pictures. Penguins in the desert? Almost. These small birds live on the coast where the desert reaches the sea. They are one of several penguin species living on the continent. They were named for famous German naturalist Alexander von Humboldt. So they are called the Humboldt penguins. Here is the Chilean flamingo. And here's the penguin. All right, let's hear about high in the Andes. The highest point of South America and the coldest are found in the Andes Mountains. All right, they have an Andean condor. With a wingspan of more than 10 feet, this is one of the largest flying birds in the world. These wings come in handy when cruising on the wind. Their raptors, which feed mostly on carrion, have been spotted flying at more than 18,000 feet. Wow, look at the condor. Beautiful bird. There's a sharp beak. Who's this guy? A llama. Perhaps the most well-known Andes animal is this large relative of the camel. The llama's steady footing and its ability to breathe at high altitudes have made it a valuable companion and worker for centuries. Its wool is also used to make warm clothing for locals. Along with being strong, it is known for the ability to spit. There he is, Mr. Llama. What else is in the Andes? Ooh, a mountain frog. Mountain frog is the foothills and clouds of the forest of the lower Andes. They're home to hundreds of species of insect-loving frogs. This one, which doesn't really have a common name, its scientific name is Brophrene nubulus, can survive at altitudes of nearly 10,000 feet. Wow. All right, those are the Andes animals. All right, well that's the end of the animals that live in the Alpine, high in the Andes, the desert, and life on the Pampas. I don't think I read to you guys where life on the Pampas is. It's North America has the prairie. Africa has the savanna. South America has the Pampas. The Pampas are mostly flat with high open areas of grass and scrubland. Some parts are drier than others, but the land includes only a few rolling hills. The wild Pampas, mostly in Argentina and Chile, are getting smaller. Cowboys known as gacho raise cattle on some parts. Huge farm crops grow like corn and wheat to support the native people. Wow. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed learning about some animals on the Pampas, some animals in the desert, and some animals high in the Andes. I hope everyone is doing well and you're happy and healthy. Talk to you soon. Bye.